Let's crochet the small tulip in that small flower basket. Let's take out the 2.5 crochet hook and the yellow yarn in the crochet kit. Also make a magic ring. Crochet with cross single crochet. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Insert the crochet hook into the circle. Bring it out. This is 1 single crochet. This is our 1 single crochet. Let's put on a stitch marker. For the first round, we crochet 6 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 single crochet, we tighten the loop. Slip stitch at the first stitch here. Crochet 1 chain stitch. For the second round, crochet 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Crochet 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. 1 single crochet. Put on a stitch marker. Crochet 1 more single crochet. Okay, move to the next stitch. Crochet 2 single crochet from 1 stitch. Be sure to use cross single crochet. The crochet hook is backward. Otherwise, the crocheted effect will be different. Okay, the third one. Two. Okay, let's crochet the fourth single crochet. Two. The fifth. 1, 2. The sixth. 1, 2. We slip stitch at the first stitch here. One chain stitch. For the third round, we crochet 1 single crochet. 1 increase. Let's first crochet 1 single crochet. Put on a stitch marker. Then crochet 1 increase. The increase means crocheting 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Let's crochet the second set. 1 single crochet. 1 increase. For the third set, 1 single crochet. 1 increase. This is the third set. Let's crochet the fourth set. 1 single crochet. 1 increase. 1 single crochet. 1 increase. One single crochet. 1 increase. Okay, our 6 sets are crocheted. We slip stitch at the first stitch here. Slip stitch it over. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Our 4th to 8th rounds are without increases or decreases, which means crocheting 1 stitch in 1 stitch. Okay, let's first crochet 1 single crochet. Put on a stitch marker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, we slip stitch at the first stitch here. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Crochet the next round. In total, it is the 8th round, without increases or decreases. All are 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 17, 18. Slip stitch at the first stitch here. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 1 more. This is the 6th round. Ten, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18. Okay, we slip stitch at the first stitch here. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Crochet a single crochet at the first stitch. Put on a stitch marker. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 16, 17, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we slip stitch at the first stitch here. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Then crochet the 8th round again. Put on a stitch marker. 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 16, 17. Okay, we slip stitch at the first stitch here. After that, we crochet 1 chain stitch, then cut the yarn. Leave it a bit longer. We will sew later. Leave it a bit longer. In this way, our small tulip is crocheted.